There she is, Mrs. Oh shit, my fucking teeth fell out. Yet she was grace under pressure. American Girl would have fallen out, but not me, because I'm a satin doll. This is Robbie Barbarian with breaking unnecessary news. Miss Thailand had a malfunction of the mouth and recovered just fine. Beauty, style, grace, and double the teeth. This lady is ready for prime time. This is Robbie Barbarian.